Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. In this guide, we will review a few easy tools to talk about politeness and common courtesies in Spanish. Let's get started. In any language, courtesy words open doors and help people warm up to you instantly. And in Spanish speaking cultures, politeness is genuinely appreciated. So, whether you're traveling to Mexico, Spain, Colombia, or anywhere else in the Spanish speaking world, these phrases will help you open doors everywhere. Let's start with one of the most useful words in any language: please. In Spanish, the word for please is por favor. Let's say it together. Por favor. Please. Por favor. Por favor contains two words. First, we have por, which translates as the preposition for or as, followed by the word favor, which, as you may have guessed, means favor in English. So when you say por favor in Spanish, you're literally saying as a favor. The great news is that por favor works the same way as please does in English. You can put it at the beginning or the end of a sentence. Here are a few examples. Por favor, habla más despacio. Please speak more slowly. Por favor, habla más despacio. Another example. Un café, por favor. A coffee, please. Un café, por favor. Although you can place por favor at the start or the end of a sentence, most of the time in everyday Spanish conversations, the phrase por favor is generally placed at the end. Next on the list is the word for thank you in Spanish. Here it is. Gracias. Thank you. Gracias. The word gracias is used often in everyday life, so make sure you memorize it if you're getting started. Now, if you want to say thank you very much, you simply add the word muchas like this. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Here's an example. Muchas gracias por tu ayuda. Thank you very much for your help. Muchas gracias por tu ayuda. And what if someone goes truly above and beyond? Then you can say this. Muchísimas gracias. Thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias. Next, we have the reply you can use when someone says thank you to you. You can reply using this simple phrase. De nada. You are welcome. De nada. So, if someone says gracias, you can reply with de nada. De nada literally means of nothing or for nothing, as in, it was nothing, don't worry about it. It's the standard everyday way to say you are welcome in Spanish. Here's an example. Gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks for your help. Gracias por tu ayuda. Then you could reply with, de nada. You're welcome. De nada. Here's another phrase you can use to express a similar idea. It sounds a little warmer and more formal. Here it is. Con mucho gusto. With pleasure. Con mucho gusto. Next, we have a couple of words that confuse a lot of beginners because in English we use the phrase excuse me for so many different situations, including getting someone's attention, squeezing past someone in a crowd, or interrupting someone politely. However, in Spanish, we have a couple of options depending on the situation. The word perdón means excuse me when used for minor things like bumping into someone or for a small, quick oops moment. It's casual and very commonly used. Disculpe is slightly more formal and is great for politely getting someone's attention, like a waiter or a stranger on the street. Here's an example. Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño? These two words will be very useful in everyday life, but there's another option to keep in mind. Finally, we have the word for sorry in Spanish that is used when you need to genuinely apologize for something. Here it is. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Lo siento. Literally, lo siento means I feel it. You're saying that you truly feel the weight of what happened. It carries more sincerity than a quick perdón. Here are a few examples. Lo siento mucho. I'm really sorry. Lo siento mucho. Lo siento. Fue mi culpa. I'm sorry. It was my fault. Lo siento. Fue mi culpa. We have covered 5 essential polite phrases that will instantly make you sound more natural, more respectful, and more confident in Spanish. Let's do a quick recap. Por favor. Please. Por favor. Gracias. Thank you. Gracias. De nada. You're welcome. De nada. Perdón or disculpe. Excuse me. Perdón or disculpe. Lo siento. Sorry. Lo siento. Well done. Make sure to practice these phrases today. Use them out loud, write them down, and say them to yourself in the mirror if you have to. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. We have learned easy ways to be polite in Spanish. If you want to learn Spanish faster, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn over 100 common Spanish sentences you can use in everyday life. Go ahead and click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.